Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Darius Copeland, your favorite realtor. Today we have something sweet for you. We're working with a builder out here at Mungo Homes with Ovation and Sweetbrier. His name is Trent Cooper, one of the top salesmen out here. So let's get him on and kind of see what he has to sell us.
What's up, guys? My name is Trent. I'm one of the senior builders out here in Ovation. This is Mungo's very first active adult community, 55 and up. All of our floor plans are primary down, and we have single families and townhomes available for y'all to check out.
All right, guys, let's go inside and check it out, see what we have going on.
So in our family room on the highest floor plan, we have 20-foot ceilings, pre-wired for a ceiling fan. And you also have a little banister that overlooks the family room from the second floor.
Awesome. And how tall are the ceilings in here?
20 feet.
Nice. 20?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then we see that you have the lights that are upstairs.
Mm-hmm.
What type of lights are those?
Just basic disc lights.
Disc lights? Okay.
Yeah. So what we have here, we have a gourmet style kitchen that has a wall oven and microwave combo unit. We have a gas cooktop and a hood vent that vents to the exterior. And that hood vent also comes with a remote.
So let's check out the primary and see what kind of comes with that too. Trent, you can take me in there, kind of see what we have going on.
Heck yeah. So in the primary, some of the primaries come with a box ceiling. They do come with a ceiling fan pre-wire. And then also it has the primary bathroom attached to it. And each primary shower has a tiled bench seat for it with a walk-in closet connected to it for the townhomes. So for upstairs, what we have is a loft for entertaining friends and guests. We also have 2 guest bedrooms up here that share a hall bath. And then, as well as that, we have a unfinished storage room to store things instead of having to climb up an attic all the time.
Hey, well, we got the exclusive here at Ovation and Sweetbrier. One of the best builders out here to do it, Mungo Homes.
I appreciate y'all coming by and visiting Ovation at Sweetbrier, and I hope to see y'all soon.